Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share the basics of using split screen mode on your Mac. Getting into this habit will seriously boost your productivity and help you work much faster. First up, my go-to method involves using the Option key. Let's say I want to split my screen between Chrome and Safari. Here is how I do it. First, left-click on the header of the Chrome window. Then, while moving the mouse, press and hold the Option key and drag slightly to the left. You'll see a frame with a white border appear on the left side. Now just release the mouse. Chrome will instantly snap to fill the left half of your screen. Next, do exactly the same thing with the other app you want to split. Click and hold, press the Option key, and drag slightly to the right. Then, release the mouse. Safari will fill the right side. Now you have Chrome and Safari perfectly split into two equal parts on your screen. Once you get used to this, splitting your screen becomes super fast. If you prefer not to use the Option key, you can just use your mouse. Hover over the green icon in the top left corner of any window, and you can select your split screen mode right there. Beyond that, if you want the second window to arrange itself automatically, use the Fill and Arrange feature down below. For example, I'll select the Chrome window, choose to split the screen, and click on this icon right here. Once you click, the other app will automatically fill the remaining space. If you need something more advanced, you can install third-party apps which give you more diverse ways to arrange your windows. However, for my daily Mac usage, the native macOS features are more than enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.